Hey, hello. So again, this is not a tutorial. This is me struggling with Rust, and I continue working on my simple expression thing, expression evaluation. So previously, I mentioned that I've got various cases of function or formula expression checking. I've added a bunch of tests for missing um, quote symbol and what else? Yeah, missing closing quotes and things like that. So this is very basic, but what I'm what I haven't done yet is I haven't done inserting the external variable or expression into my formula. Just to give you some background, again, I'm working on trying to replicate the expression thing in Camunda stuff. So they have a expression, an expression. They might have expression just less than 8, with intention that afterwards there would be guest count variable inserted in the very beginning, provided there's yeah, so this is explicit less than operator. Here, for example, they have implicitly stated that vegetarian guests variable would be implicitly equal to false. So this is what they would insert also. So this is external logic coming in, but we need to be able to pass it in here. So I will literally start off by copying an existing case I have, and I will paste it over here. Whoop, incorrect. I spent a week without Emacs, Doom Emacs, and I already have forgotten how to use it. Crap. Alright, P for paste. Alright, and let's call it succeeds inserting inserting to beginning whatever. So the function would technically be like this, right? And at first this should be equal to at operand. I believe it was operator token. And this was operator LE. I forget how it was. Oh, I believe it was LE. Yeah, L, less, because it's the less operator. So technically it should work for now. Run it. Crap. Why is it not working? Oh yeah, it should be other way around because postfix is already, yeah, because when we convert the postfix, the precedence of less operator is precedent. So yeah, let's get rid of that and save, and this would, what? Oh yeah, stupid copying. Yeah, copying is bad, tests are good. So 10 and this. Maybe I will need to. Oh, I didn't save? Now it's safe. Expected found integer, and alright. Um, yeah, let's make it a float like this. Oh yeah, I don't make distinction from float or integer. I'm going to have everything as floats. So okay, so now this is a beginner stuff, and after parsing, I need parser to have a method insert start. So before we convert everything to postfix, I need to make sure that the function is complete. So 10 should be less than something, right? And into the start, I need to add an operand of a number. Let's say 11. So technically, when we do execute it, we need to have a program of we will need to have a program that would result into false because 11 is larger. All right, so at this moment, I don't have insert start, and I need to add a method with somewhere around here. Yeah, let's have it in the end. In the end of all these things. All right, so function insert start. All right, so still needs to be a mutable self, and it needs to have an operand because I am passing in the operand I need to add, and self operands. Okay, I did search for it, and it's just insert 0 whatever I have. So the vector thing I use, yeah, I'll just, yeah, whoop. Operands, insert. Oh crap, I forget. Insert, yes. Insert, add 0 and O. Should be sufficient enough. Alright, and of course the test will fail, and hopefully there will be no borrowing stuff, borrow issues. Alright. Oh yeah, there's again floating point issue, because I am adding an integer and should be a float. And again, I'm not going to make any distinguishing from integer or float, because the JavaScript doesn't do it, and I've got simple interpreted language sync in here, so why bother? Alright. And already the test is saying that I'm checking for this only over here, and there should be a number, another number. And I will use the testing output just to copy stuff and add it in here. So still an operand, still a number. I know it's 11 floating point, comma. So again, what's going to happen is it's going to assume in the end that I have 11 in here. When we add the thing, this is going to be added again, like in this case, right? So for a case where so this expression fall, like it's going to be season equals to fall. This is a function actually, right? This is the expression we have, and we want to execute further. So season implicit equals, so there's going to be added a operator token equals string. Vegetarian guest variable equals operator token string. And I'm doing the same. Implicit 11 addition from external stuff, external table, is going to be added. So we construct the thing. And it's going to have in a postfix stack 11, 10 operator less. And when it's going to execute, it's going to push everything to the program, execution stack, number. Oh, we have an operator token, so pop previous things, 11, less than 10, false. Nice. So this is the only thing I was missing. Nice, it works. So this is the only thing that was missing for me to actually start working with the parsed table that I had in here. So again, my number over here, like 8. Externally, I would have a variable somewhere in the context, or a blackboard if you like Unreal Engine. From the blackboard, I would know that, okay, there's a variable, and whatever I get from it is going to be a number. And maybe this is wrong. No, this is right. Whatever is in there is going to be a number. And implicitly I will add, like we just did with the 11 number, I will add the guest count as a number, or maybe some variance. I will add implicit I will add implicit equals, just reading from the first element in the thing. And the remaining is whatever we already parsed. Maybe let's do it right now, because I was kind of fast. I didn't fail as much. So let me fail some more. So let me select this. Y for yank. %sign for traveling back in there. And P for paste. Succeeds inserting implicit implicit operator. So same stuff here. Insert start. Yeah, let's have the same number. Insert number. Then, oh, come on. Then my parser. Insert start operand operator token operand operator equality. So this is the stuff I would have to do externally. I would need to look at the first element in the parser's output, not the output, the operators that we have. And I would need to, I guess I will need to create a method to check if this thing starts with operator token or not. Yeah, let's have it, but first of all, I would need to just double check that this is equality. So the same 10. Somehow we passed in the variable thing we have. The variable thing we have from the column. From the column, so variable goes in the start, and then there's some operand thing. So yeah, this should work now. Whoop! Oh, I forgot this. All right. Yeah, it tried to return. Save, please. Yes. Run it. Still works. So this works, but This is like blind logic. Yeah, I need to go here and literally ask if the thing starts with an operand, because I don't want to expose operands to as a API thing. Um, starts with operand. I don't need to have anything in here. So what I want to have is let O. Oh, I will literally return if let some O, if some operand equals self operands get 0. So this would be false by default. False. Oh yeah, I need to add that this is a falsy method. Bool. All right. How deep do I go about this? Do I have a match statement in here? Oh wait, I can make it ugly. Operator operand operator token, and I don't think I need to have. Yeah, I don't really care what it's called. I just need to know that it's there. I just need to know it's there. Return true. Yeah. False, and I guess I can do this. Hold on. I don't really need to have immutable self. I can just have self. All right. So let's have a small variable. Let starts with operand. I'm gonna make the explicit name for it. If parser starts with operand, yeah, I'm actually gonna say assert starts with operand. Oh, assert equals. Ah, oh, god damn it. Equals. So over here is starts with operand equals to false. All right. Still works. All right. Let's actually. So this was this, and this does start with this. So let me go to 518. Literally copy all that stuff. And yeah, paste here. And I want to be sure that it my code actually knows that it starts with operand, because this is like the thing we do. So there's some test coverage, right? So there's at least one test where I know that there is something like there's an operator, and one case where I don't have the operator. So at least I would be able to construct logic with the external stuff I have based on that. But this logic with external like markdown thing, where after I have parsed the table, I would test it in the other place. Maybe. Did I save it? Yes. And it still works. So I've got two places where my testing stuff covers that, or at least able to tell me that I'm able to add stuff in a specific order. Because again, before I insert something from external place, like here, season, insert into formula, I would need to know, is there equal sign? No, there is no equal sign. Okay, if it doesn't start with, if the initial version, if it doesn't start with a some sort of operator, then I need to insert implicit equals in here, all these cases. But if it does start with something, again externally, before I add guest count, I would check, all right, there was some operator, insert guest count, and don't add implicit equals, because this is going to form the entire function. And with that, actually, I should be able to create some sort of dry run or something just to validate I have enough operands or variables between all the operators like equal signs just to perform the actions, right? Yeah, there is quite some logic ahead of me. Sorry. Yeah, I guess that's it. It was fun. This testing stuff is fun. See you next time. And yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. I don't play this cat animation with subscribe stuff. And click like. See you next time.